Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Adi Mulyono. Saya dari 11 desktop 2. Saya akan membaca contoh teks modal. 1. Rido, what is your plan this weekend? Ade weekend visit the anime exhibition if you want. Rido, that's a good idea. Can you serious there? I have been able to drive since last year. Rido green. I will order the ticket online. That. Sekian dari saya. Mohon maaf salah dan kata. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.